Should you invest in an older mobile home? Should you invest in an older mobile home? The answer to that question is yes and no. Yes, because if you find a home that's in this condition, this home is a 1992. If you find a home in this condition, you have a great deal. This home is in almost immaculate condition compared to other homes that are much newer than it. You can see the outside, it's in pretty fair shape, a little bit of paint, has a metal roof. Along the sides is solid. This home is very, very solid. It has an AC unit, central air and heat. It needs to be looked at, but overall, it's in pretty solid shape. It does have a window unit on the outside. So these are the things that you should be looking for if you're going to invest in an older mobile home. Not only invest, but if you're going to purchase a home. So let's do a quick walkthrough in here. When you're looking at these homes, first thing you want to check out is the floor. Making sure that the floors are solid, the roof, no leaks anywhere. Now, a lot of older homes will have leaks. A mobile home's worst enemy is water. So sometimes right here you'll have leaks by the window sills. These are things that you need to check out. By your sinks, anywhere in the bathrooms, anywhere where there's water, that's where you want to check. Look inside the cabinets. You see this thing I've never seen a home this age look so in such great shape. But yes, if you find a home like this and it's an older home, I would definitely buy it. This is like a perfect home for a family, someone starting over, or like a great rental property. You can see that this was owned by elderly people. They took real great care of it. Carpets may need to be shampooed or replaced, but look at this. You can even put paint on the walls, but someone may like this. But this home is pretty solid for a 1992. Now, I wouldn't invest in an older home if you had holes in the ceilings, had a roof leak, a lot of the floors were damaged or had soft spots. I would really think hard about investing in a home like that. Look in here, you see solid, again, solid floors, no leaks in the roof. This is a very solid home. This is the master bedroom. You see, it just needs a little bit of cleaning. Nice home, nice size home, guys. So yes, I would invest in an older home in a condition like this. Now here they pulled up the carpet. Again, you can just put another covering in here. They put a brand new water heater. No leaks, again, no leaks anywhere. Solid. Now they put carpet in here. That's something that I wouldn't do. I would remove the carpet from the bathroom because, again, water is the enemy of any mobile home, and it starts leaking from the sink or anywhere, or tub overflows, you have major issues. So yeah, guys, this is a nice home, and you'll find people who want to get rid of these homes because, again, either a parent died or something, or they just have no need for it. They upgrade it. There's different reasons why people get rid of nice homes like these. And if you're interested in investing in older homes, I wrote an ebook on how to purchase them and how to negotiate and get these at a great price. I got this home actually for like $3,500. And it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And you can see there's pretty much nothing wrong with this home. Someone can just come in here and put their furniture and put the lights on. That's how great condition it is. Now, you can't do this with a single family home. $3,500. And like I was saying, guys, if you're interested in investing in used mobile homes, having them as rentals or whatever you want to do with them to make money with them, I wrote an ebook, How to Make Big Money with Mobile Homes. If you're interested in it, I have the link in the details. I have a DVD on how to negotiate. Check those things out. If you're interested, just leave a comment. Thanks.